This is going to be a super quick video. Here are 3 rules to help you get rich on Fiverr. Rule number 1 is to remember that it's always about them, your clients, and not you. A big mistake a lot of people make both on Fiverr and any other business venture is getting confused and thinking that their business is mainly about getting them rich. That's not the mindset of a successful business owner. So if you're trying to get rich with your Fiverr business, the first thing you need to worry about is remembering it's about your clients, not so much you. If you can focus on providing services that offer value, customer service that keeps clients coming back, fast response time, and overall making the whole client experience as enjoyable and value-packed as possible, it's going to cause you to have a bunch of repeat clients, a bunch of referral clients, and it's going to help you set the foundation for a successful Fiverr business that's going to make you money for years and, a long time to come. So that's rule number 1 for getting rich on Fiverr. It's about your clients, and if you focus on your clients and not yourself, you're going to succeed. Second rule for getting rich on Fiverr is to make sure you are only taking on projects or creating gigs for services that you can actually do. One bad rating for selling something that you're not actually good at will hurt you in the short term, but many bad ratings will absolutely kill your Fiverr business. So if you want to get rich on Fiverr, make sure you're focusing on skills or talents that you either already have or skills that you want to acquire and set out to build those skills before you sell them on Fiverr. The reality is that nobody wants to give money to someone for something that they're not actually good at. If someone's hiring you and you're selling yourself as someone who's amazing or great, an expert at something, you better be an expert at that thing. Otherwise, they're going to be really disappointed. So make sure that of all the services you're thinking about selling on Fiverr, you're only selling the ones that you're actually good at, prepared to sell, and can do at an expert level to offer some real value to your clients, and that'll set you up for a lot of success on Fiverr down the road. And the third rule that'll help you get rich on Fiverr is to make sure you're setting boundaries, and wherever reasonable, avoid doing free work. So I talk to a lot of you, and a lot of new Fiverr sellers have this mindset that the customer's always right. Anytime they ask you to do something for free or something that wasn't included, a lot of people are just saying yes to make your clients happy. And while I agree that it's important that you're making your clients happy, you are running a business and you need to learn how to communicate that to your clients so that they're not running over you. You guys make an agreement, you set a contract, you set out the terms of a project, you get paid for it, and you do it. If a client wants more than what was included or they're asking for things that are really pretty unreasonable, it's on you to speak up, plant your feet and set the expectations. You don't do free work. You're here to make them happy, but you are also running a business. If you operate your Fiverr business in this way, it's going to ensure that you're not doing free work, you're making maximum amount of money for the time you're spending working on things, and you're building respect and a client base that views you as a professional business, not just someone they can run over. Anyways, those are 3 quick rules to help you if you're on a mission to get rich on Fiverr. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, cheers.